254 oars. Easy 3-piece assembly. Retainer rings for oar locks. Ribbed blades for durability and performance. Included components: 2 Oars TUV RL approved. Sport type. Outdoor lifestyle. Top reviews from the United States. Good value and they work well. I have an older Intex inflatable boat and somewhere over the years, I lost the oars, probably while moving. I just needed a new set so I could use the boat, and these were the cheapest ones I could find. I ordered them on a Saturday afternoon and they showed up on Monday, a day earlier than expected. They're easy to put together, just the right length, and they worked well. I especially like the fact that they came with the retaining rings for the oar locks. I'm very happy with this purchase and I would buy them again if I ever had the need.